Finding out the exact date a Google Doc was created is quite straightforward once you know where to look. This handy built-in details panel tracks important file metadata like ownership, modification history, and the original creation date. If this quick tip saves you some searching, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like. To get started, head up to the top menu bar and open File. The File menu gives you access to document actions like sharing, downloading in various formats, renaming, and version history. Scanning down through the export choices, you'll see formats like Microsoft Word, PDF, plain text, and web pages. Continue moving down the list past offline settings and version controls. Select Details near the bottom of the menu. A pop-up window appears right in the center of your screen, containing the complete file information. Here you can see the file location in your drive, who owns the document, when it was last modified, and the exact creation date. Take note of the creation date displayed in the window. Click the X button in the top right corner of the window to close the Details dialog. You're now right back in your normal document editing workspace. Knowing how to check file properties helps you quickly keep track of your document history. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more straightforward productivity tips.